Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm putting out a new video for you, and I have not been putting out a lot of videos lately because I've been working on a big project. I bought a kettle corn business last fall. You can tell we're deep into winter right now. And as I've been building this business, I've got to where I needed something better to haul all my equipment around with, and I found this van. This is a project I'm going to be doing. I want to get the van ready to haul all my stuff. See, this is a cargo van. I'll give you a look at it and tell you what we're going to do. You can kind of follow along because this van's going to look a lot different when we're done. Okay, this is it. I got home with it last night, just got it. Got the tax title and license taken care of today. And I started cleaning it out, and I thought, boy, this is going to be a big project. I know a lot of you like to watch my videos. It kind of amazes me the great comments I got and the good viewers that follow my channel. So I just kind of show you an update of what we're doing, give you a walk around of it. Got a dent right there. I may be able to pull that out. Overall, it's in really good shape. Got some damage here. I'm not sure what we'll do about that. I'll give you a look inside. What this was used for was an electrical company. Kept all the stuff in there. I assume they put conduit up in this. It's kind of a toolbox and then more storage, but all this has to come out. And what you see right here, this was the biggest problem I had with it, was the seats. I'll show you the seats here in a minute. That's the driver's seat. I've got the bolts out of it. And I stopped by the junkyard and I picked up these better looking seats. That one's going to need some work, but give you a look at it and give you before and after. You're getting the before now. It'll come around this side, and then you can see I already got this one out. I kind of put it down so you can tell how bad it was. When you drive it, it drives really good, but you're leaning to the side like this. So got to replace this seat, and I think I'm probably going to be able to make those work, but we will find out. Those came from junkyard. It was the similar van, but it was a lot newer. So we got to get this out. But what I thought was funny, I found underneath this seat, I found 3 pair of pliers and I think 5 screwdrivers. So there's no telling what else we're going to find. But I got to get these wires unhooked, and then we'll get to working on it. Okay, got her swept up better. That's far from being done. I'll have to clean it up and, make it look black again, I guess. So I got the 2 seats laid side by side here. Obviously, that's the one we took out, and this is the one from the junkyard. And it's the same seat, okay? Same frame. It's gonna sit in there. I got to do it just to be sure, but I'm confident it's going to. The difference is these wiring harnesses. So if you were searching this and you found this video because you need to replace these seats, I believe the junkyard said that 07 and 08, and my van's an 08, is this, and then they had 09 to 15, I believe, and then 16 and newer, I think. But to me, the only difference is the plugs. That one's got a red and a white. See there? This one's got a bunch. And I think the reason is because that airbag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one in, make sure it bolts in fine. I'm going to cut that airbag out, and I'm going to sew that up. If you've seen some of my videos, I can sew leather. That's not leather, but it'll sew just the same. And that seat should work pretty good. I'll change that plug out because what it's going to do is it's going to say put your seatbelt on or some lights on the dash. And I would prefer that they work. So we'll get to working on that. Okay, this is my old seat that came with the van. I've taken out my plug. I give myself plenty of extra cord wire. And you can see I got pink and white. This is the seat with the airbag, the other plug. So I've cut in here where it's easiest to get to because I've got plenty of wire on this plug. And you see I got white, green, pink, and purple. So guess what I'm going to do? That's right, I'm going to use the pink and white and tape off that purple and green, and I bet we work just fine. Okay, got that part done. I heat shrinked it. I think I should not have to mess with that anymore. I do not want to have to take this seat out and deal with it, so I took my time and did what I believe was right. Now we will work on this airbag, getting that off and getting that sewn up, and then we'll clean it up, because there was a coon living in it, and I think it was, I don't know, decided to take a dump on it for some reason. But we can clean it up and make it a lot nicer than what we had. Okay, I know some of you are thinking, how's he gonna sew that? What kind of machines he got? Well, I got 2 of them. They're right here. Maybe 10 of them, however you want to look at it. And this is what I'm going to use. The thread goes up through there, comes out the needle, and I'll show you. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go in here and then back out the top. Like that. Okay. And then when I take it out, I got to catch my thread. This is going to be the hardest part right here, I believe. Okay. It'll get easier as we go, but what I got to have here is enough thread to go all the way down and around. That's pretty close, but I'm going to give myself some extra. Okay. All right. Then we'll do another one right next to it. In and up through here. Okay, now when we come back up through, all right, push as far as we can. When I start to come out, see, I don't know if you can see it. It's making another little loop. Okay, see that loop? There, that loop. Now we're going to take this. It's not easy to do. And then this is going to go right through that loop like that. And it fell out. And do it again. Okay, see there? And then we'll pull that. And then we'll pull the, hang on, set you down here again. All right, now when I pull this out, that's going to make that stitch tight. You can tell that? And then we'll just work our way all the way around one at a time. So I'm going to get to work on that, and I will show you when I am done. Here it is, all sewed up. And you can see I kind of had to give myself a little help on the corners here, because it's, I don't know if you saw my breath in the earlier video, but it's really cold out here and this vinyl is really, really stiff. But there's a look at the stitches. I think it's going to hold pretty good. I think that one will be okay right there. So now I'll get it put in the van, and then I'm going to start cleaning it. I'll give you an update on what I've been doing. What I found out is that the seat belt is also different, and these 2 are now the passenger seat. So I found that out on the driver's seat, and now I'm doing the passenger seat. So I swapped the seat belts. That's the one off of the new seat, and then I got the one I need on the new seat. Took them out, took that Torx out, but this here's the big difference. My seats did not have this. That's why there's extra wires. But I got it on here, and then what I did was the cover that would cover this part that I didn't have. I took my heat gun and I heated that plastic, and I molded it to fit over my seat belt. So it looks pretty good. So then now what I'm going to do is what I did inside the truck, inside the van, is I'm going to take this upholstery cleaner, spray it real good, and then I went and bought this brush for my drill, and I'll go over it. If you haven't, I'm not going to show you that because there's all kinds of reels on the internet that show you how to do it, and I'm just going to go over and get this seat super clean and then dry it off. So that's it. I'll show you the finished results. And there it is, all cleaned up. It looks really good. Something coming in the camera, I can see a stain there, but I can't see it when I look at it. It may just be the way the material's laying, I'm not sure. But I like it. This passenger seat, this has really no wear. There's something else I'm seeing right there. May just be a wetter spot where I didn't get it vacuumed out real good, but I gotta go vacuum all the dirt out of the van that was underneath there. You can see a pile of it still in the seat. So we'll get that all cleaned up in the van, then we'll get her put back in. All right, so got it pretty well cleaned up. Got the seats in, they work fine. It smells a lot better. I did get some insulation put there so that when the heat's on, it keeps it right here in this small area. I'm not heating that whole back part of the van. Take you around there, show you the other side, but you can see the dash, I got it all cleaned up, kind of detailed it much better. We'll go around the other side and have a look. Okay, here's the other side. It's still a little dirty. Gonna have to do some more work on it just as we go, but that seat came out great too. Really pleased with the interior now. So I'm looking forward to getting started on the back. I was cleaning on it and wiping some of the dirt up with my hand, and I cut my finger pretty good. I got it to stop bleeding, but it keeps wanting to start bleeding again, so I'm gonna take a day or two off because I can't keep a band-aid on it right there. So we'll do a two-parter, and then the whole back, we'll make another video for the back. Okay, that's it for this one, guys. We're going to do 2 parts, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do. We'd love to have you back for all of our videos. As always, we thank you all for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.